Hi, I'm the Herb Guy, and here's a great detox blend that you don't have to stay home for, if you know what I mean. Some people think that a good detox requires at least 2 weeks of diarrhea, and I wholeheartedly disagree. This is just my opinion, but it's my top 6 herbs for a gentle yet complete detox. To start with, we boost liver function, as it's the most important filter in our bodies, and with that, my first ingredient is my favorite herb, milk thistle seed. Milk thistle seed has a compound called silymarin, which is shown in laboratory studies to boost liver function. It's also used in hospitals all over the world, including the United States, to treat acute liver failure, mushroom poisoning, cirrhosis of the liver, fatty liver disease, and many other liver conditions. Like milk thistle, kudzu also has a liver-boosting compound called Puerarin. Kudzu helps the liver flush out harmful free radicals and toxins while simultaneously boosting healthy cell production throughout the entire body, but especially the liver. Kudzu is so powerful, it's even shown to strengthen the umbilical bond between mother and child. Pretty neat, huh? Third on the list is chicory. Raw chicory root is a well-known detox herb that helps the liver, but it's also shown to help gallbladder, spleen, and kidney function. Chicory is diuretic, but it's shown to help remove excess fluids while keeping the electrolytes in, which is pretty helpful when you're trying to detox. Chicory is also high in key vitamins essential to boost detox function in the body. Number 4 is chaparral. Chaparral is best known for causing heavy metal chelation, or chelation, potato, meaning it binds with heavy metals and other toxins on a molecular level and then flushes them out of your body. Chaparral flushes out the gallbladder, lymph nodes, tonsils, kidneys, and liver, and it's even shown to break the blood-brain barrier to be able to pull toxins out of there, too. And chaparral also helps stimulate bile production in the liver. Next on the list is dandelion root. Primarily a kidney herb, dandelion is also a diuretic that doesn't remove any electrolytes. In fact, it adds more nutrients to the body. Dandelion gives the body the key nutrients that it needs to help our filtration system function at its highest. It also helps cleanse the digestive tract and improves good gut flora. Oh, and it's a powerful antimicrobial that is proven to eliminate bad gut flora. Last but not least is alfalfa. Yes, I said alfalfa. Alfalfa is actually one of the best detox herbs on the planet, just by itself. It's antioxidant, it pulls free radicals from the body, and it's a superfood. It boosts kidney, gallbladder, liver, and spleen function, and it has the added effect of helping the bladder and urethra function more properly. It's even shown to help break down and prevent kidney stones. So there's my list of 6 herbs for a good detox. Now, to use these for my favorite method would be in an alcohol extract. However, you can do it any way you want. You can turn them into capsules, eat them raw, make them into a tea, whatever works for you. Do some research and see what works for you, because everyone is different and there is no blank answer to any of these uses. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments, and give it a like and a share because it really helps me out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.